Did you know that who is the right hand for these big creators who takes their production quality to the next level and makes their brand identity unique? Or in simple words, who are the people that every creator is desperately looking for, but it's so challenging for them? Well, they are video editors. So the demand for video editors wasn't as much high before as it is now. Yes, there are too many editors who has saturated the online market, but there's a problem. Those video editors aren't good enough to be hired for work. Almost every of them just focus on trending editing styles rather than to be unique, problem solving and creative. In such a competitive and saturated freelance market, you can get ahead of such editors by learning some skills like storytelling, sound design, problem solving, creativity. Now, how to learn video editing? First, you have to choose a professional software. These are the top 3 mostly used softwares. Once you selected the software, follow these channels. They will take you from a noob to a pro in 20 to 50 days. Once you master the tool and you believe that you can work for others, it's time to make some money. The best way to get clients is by posting your work on social media like Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. The best part of this method is that people who are looking for editors will reach out to you themselves if you can work for him. YouTube isn't like the way you think. It's 100% different than what you think. Here are some of the biggest mistakes most of beginners YouTubers make. Instead of focusing on how to make quality content, they run behind how to get 1000 subs, how to complete 4000 hours of watch time, how to get more views. When they fail to get such results, they give up and claim that YouTube is a game of luck. It isn't for me. If you wanna grow on YouTube, you should focus on making quality content, clickable thumbnails and catchy titles, good scripting, storytelling, editing, and most importantly, consistency. And once you start making quality content after some time, more and more people would come and visit your channel to follow. This side hustle is something like content creation on YouTube, but the main difference here is that you don't need to face a camera or record your own voice. You only need the skill of writing that provides value and influence people. You can learn writing by watching YouTube videos. Now, there are several ways to monetize writing. You can write scripts for creators, starting your own blog, writing tweets and newsletters. If you became a content writer, it has a high potential to make thousands of dollars every single month. The best part of thumbnail design is that it's so easy to learn. You can easily learn it within 30 to 60 days using Adobe Photoshop, Canva, and even some AI tools. The main skill you should focus on as a thumbnail designer. Don't focus on the looks of a thumbnail, that how much good looking it is. Rather focus that my thumbnail fulfills the purpose or not. Your thumbnail should be high quality, attractive, and it must show some curiosity. The best way to get clients is Twitter, LinkedIn, ytjobs.co, and Facebook. Post your work there. Big creators will notice your work and they will contact you for work if you are really good at thumbnail design.